So let's practice cursive alphabet A to J. For alphabet A, give dots 1, 2 and 3. 3 dots like this. Starting from this dot, a little curve, go up, come down and a curve here. Now make a C and like this. This is the proper way of making cursive alphabet A. Don't make it like this. I have seen students doing like this. They do like this. This. This is not the right way. So always make cursive alphabet A like this. Now next letter is cursive alphabet B. For alphabet B, give 2 dots. Standing line. Curve from the back. A curve and another curve. Okay, now like this, इसके center में से turn करके लाना है. Go up, come down and do like this. This is alphabet B. Practice alphabet B on 2 dots like this. Cursive and alphabet capital and small B. Okay, now alphabet C. For alphabet C, we have to give 3 dots like this. 1, 2 and 3. Starting from this dot, go up like this. Make a C like this. Now make a small C here. This is the way we will make cursive alphabet C. Now alphabet D. For alphabet D, we will give 3 dots here. Starting from the middle dot, standing line, a turn, go up like this. Now join the small d alphabet with it also. This is alphabet D. Okay, now alphabet E. For alphabet E, again, now we have to give 2 dots here and 1 dot here. Okay. Go up like this. Make small e like this. Then again a curve. Go up and turn. This is cursive alphabet E. Now, for cursive alphabet F, give dots like this in this 7 number position. Starting from this dot, a little turn, slipping line, then a standing line, then a turn like this, go up, come down, do like this, and a small line in the center. This is cursive alphabet F. Now, alphabet G. For alphabet G, you have to give 3 lines here, 3 dots here and 1 dot here. Starting from this dot, go up and make a C. Now come down, standing line and a turn. Now make number 9 here and again a turn. See one more time because it's typical. Up, make a big C, down and do like this. Now make a number 9 here and a turn. This is cursive alphabet G. Okay. Now cursive alphabet H. For cursive alphabet H, we will give 3 dots. Okay. Small slanting line, then a standing line. Now one more standing line parallel to this line and a curve like this. Now go up, come down and do like this. This is cursive alphabet H. Now the next alphabet is I. For alphabet I, we give 4 dots like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from this dot. This is the starting point. A slipping line, backward slipping line, a slanting line, a standing line, a little turn. Now do like this. This is cursive alphabet I. Now alphabet J. Again for the J, we'll give 3 dots here and 1 dot here. It's the same as of I. Backward slipping line, slanting line, standing line, then a turn like this. Now stop here. Again a turn like this and a dot here. This is cursive alphabet J. Okay, now practice alphabet. These alphabets in the notebook also. So let's see how you will make the notebook of your child. I'll show you the notebook work also. See, now you can see this notebook. Here I have prepared alphabet A and B on this page. I have given this big tracing in the middle of alphabet A and B so that the child can practice, and 3 dots for alphabet A and 2 dots for alphabet B. This is the work for alphabet A and B. Okay, now let's see alphabet C and D. For alphabet C and D, give dots, 3 dots for alphabet C and 3 dots for alphabet D, and tracing in the middle of the paper. Middle of the page you can give some tracing work. This is alphabet C and D. And now I'll show you alphabet E and F. How to give dots for alphabet E and F in the notebook. See, in the middle, tracing, 3 dots for alphabet E and 3 dots for alphabet F. Give dots in the notebook like this. Okay, now alphabet G and H. This is alphabet G and H. See the dots? 4 dots for alphabet G because it's little typical. So practice alphabet G very well. And 3 dots for alphabet H. Alphabet G and alphabet H. Okay. Now the last. See alphabet I and J. It's quite similar. I have given here 4 dots for alphabet I, and you can give 4 dots for alphabet J also. Here I have given 3 only, but you can give 4 dots also. So both are similar, I and J. So practice all these alphabets first of all on the board and then in your notebook.